गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल का फोर्थ पेपर टूल टेक्निक में बात करेंगे। आपके सेक्शन बी चल रहा है ऐसे। तो आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है एमएससी फाइनल ईयर में प्रोटीन की जो स्टैनिंग होती है वह किस प्रकार से होती है, स्टैनिंग ऑफ प्रोटीन। ठीक है। तो इसमें प्रोटीन की स्टैनिंग के लिए अलग अलग मेथड दिए गए हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ेंगे। तो प्रोटीन सेपरेशन एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन इज क्रिटिकल फॉर प्रोटियोम्स एनालिसिस एंड रिक्वायर्स हाई रिजोल्यूशन एंड पावरफुल प्रोटीन कैरेक्टराइजेशन आफ्टर जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस टू आइडेंटिफाई द प्रोटीन इन द जेल कॉलरीमेट्रिक एंड फ्लोरोसेंस स्टैनिंग टेक्निक्स आर यूज्ड। यहाँ पर आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए जेल कॉलरीमेट्रिक एंड फ्लोरोसेंस स्टैनिंग टेक्निक का यूज़ किया जाता है। द स्टेन इंक्लूड एनायोनिक डाइज, कुमसी ब्रिलियंट ब्लू, मेटल केटाइंस, इमिडोजोल, जिंक, सिल्वर स्टेन, फ्लूरोसेंट डाइज, रेडियो एक्टिव प्रोब्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं। स्पेसिफिक स्टैनिंग मेथड could also be used to detect translational modifications such as glycosylation or phosphorylation. The protein stain should exhibit high sensitive, that is low detection limited, quantitative accuracy, reproducibility, ease of use and compatibility with downstream protein analysis techniques like mass spectrometry, post electrophoretic protein stain, जिसमें कुमेसी ब्रिलियंट ब्लू स्टेन, जिसे CBB स्टेन भी कहते हैं, जो कि प्रोटीन की स्टैनिंग के लिए यूज़ की जाती है, उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। कुमेसी ब्रिलियंट ब्लू स्टेन इज ए डाइसल्फोनेटेड ट्राइफेनिल मीथेन डाई that is used to stain protein bands bright blue color. The stain binds with the protonated basic amino acid lysine, arginine, histidine by electrostatic interaction with the aromatic residue by hydrophobic interaction. The CBB has a low affinity for the polyacrylamide, but it does penetrate the gel matrix, necessitating a de-staining step. Kumasi stain are non-covalent, reversible and do not interfere with downstream analysis techniques such as mass spectrometry of excised protein bands. Staining method में dissolved 0.0252 0.10% dye in an acidic alcohol formulation, 30 to 50% methanol or less frequently ethanol with 7 to 10% acetic acid solution. Filter the solution with Wartman paper for a stable formulation. Next, the perform the fixation and staining in 10 gel volumes of solution. De-stain with 7% acetic acid. Strength and limitation. कुमुसी स्टैन की जो लिमिटेशन है, कुमेसी ब्रिलियंट ब्लू स्टैन इज इजीली अवेलेबल, इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड प्रोटीन स्टैन. However, staining and de-staining require more time and reagents. Second is silver staining. The silver stain is the alternative colorimetric stain for increased detection sensitivity as compared to the Kumasi staining. It is generally considered as the standard for the ultra sensitive staining method. Silver staining protocols are categorized on the basis of the silver agent and development condition. Silver diamine complex in an alkaline environment is used in alkaline method. Acidic silver nitrate is used in acidic method. Staining method What is staining method of silver staining? After separation, fix the gel in fixation solution, that is 50% methadone, 20%, 12% acetic acid and 0.05% formalin for 2 hours or overnight, followed by 3 washes with 35% ethanol for 20 minutes each. Sanitize gel for 2 minutes, followed by 3 washes in water for 5 minutes each. Stain the gel in silver nitrate solution, 0.2% silver nitrate and 0.076% formalin for 20 minutes, followed by 2 washes in water. Fourth step is add the developer 6% sodium carbonate, 0.0% formalin and 0.004% sodium thiosulfate and stop staining by leaving the gel for 5 minutes in stop solution, 50% methanol and 12% acetic acid. Strength and limitation. Silver staining is one of the most sensitive colorimetric method used for detection of total protein. The formulation and protocols are optimized and standardized, helping to minimize the effect of minor differences in day-to-day use. Third stain is zinc stain. Zinc staining is a negative stain that stain the polyacrylamide gel except protein enabling their detection. Zinc ion coupled with imidazole precipitate in the gel matrix. Zinc ion staining utilize the ability of proteins and protein SDS complexes to bind and sequester zinc in the gel causing the precipitation with opaque background contrasting with transparent protein SDS zinc zone. The technique is compatible with mass spectrometry of microsequencing method for downstream protein analysis and characterization. Staining method. After electrophoresis, incubate the gel in 0.2 m imidazole, 0.1% sodium dodecyl sulfate SDS for 15 minutes. Discard the imidazole solution and incubate the gel in 0.3 m zinc sulfate for 30 to 45 seconds. Discard the developer and wash the gel for several times with water 1 minute per wash. Fourth, store the gel in 0.5% solution sodium carbonate. Strength and limitation. The zinc stain is sensitive dyes for the detection of 0.25 ng of protein per band in a mini gel. The entire method takes 15 minutes. Protein could be easily recovered from the gel after staining. Overdevelopment of the stain can be problematic but can be rectified by incubating in 100 ml glycine to dissolve excess zinc imidazole.